Have you ever gazed through a microscope and truly seen the microscopic world? It's a journey into the unseen, a realm of intricate detail and hidden wonders. And among these wonders, perhaps, one of the most profound is the sight of human skin cells. These aren't just cells, they're the building blocks of our very existence. And witnessing them under a microscope can be a deeply emotional experience. Imagine the moment you adjust the focus and the image sharpens. What you see isn't just a static picture. It's a dynamic, bustling city of life. A constant dance of activity happening right before your eyes. These cells, seemingly simple, are actually powerhouses, each performing a symphony of tasks to keep you alive. They're constantly renewing, protecting, and responding. Seeing these cells can bring a surge of emotions. First, there's awe. The sheer complexity, the incredible precision of nature's design is breathtaking. You see the cell's structure, the nucleus, the cytoplasm, each with its own role, working in perfect harmony. It's a humbling experience to realize the scale of the work being done, unseen and often unappreciated. Then comes a sense of connection. These cells are you. They're the essence of your being, the fundamental units that make up your form. They're a reminder of our shared biology, our kinship with all living things. When you see them, you're looking at a part of yourself, a piece of the vast, interconnected web of life. But the experience can also spark introspection. You start to contemplate the fragility of life. These cells are resilient, yet they're also vulnerable. They age, they can be damaged, they can be overcome by disease. It's a reminder of our own mortality, urging us to appreciate the present, to cherish our health, and to live each day with intention. The realization of the work these cells perform also brings a sense of wonder. They tirelessly work to shield you from the environment, to repair damage, and to fight off invaders. Their dedication is nothing short of heroic. It's a humbling feeling to understand the constant effort being exerted, often without your conscious awareness. So, the next time you have the opportunity to look at human skin cells under a microscope, take a moment to pause. Allow yourself to be moved by the sight. Let the image sink in, and let it spark a sense of wonder, connection, and appreciation for the miracle of life that exists within each of us.